Hello people, so today I'll show you a day in my life as a university student and we are going grocery shopping at Asda. Okay, so first things first, the essentials. Let's go get some bread. Try and buy some wholemeal or the ones with the seeds, just to feel like, you're trying to be a better you. Also, can we all just take a minute and reflect on this? Yeah. Thumbs up for anyone who's actually tried this. Anywho, moving on to the eggs, I like to buy the largest pack there is because it's better value for your money. I usually eat maybe 2 a day. And make sure you check for a box with the longest expiration date. They're usually at the back, so, be warned. For all the cheese lovers, I'd say avoid the pre-grated packs because they might be the same price as the blocks, but they actually weigh a lot less. Not a lot, but like a little bit less. And you don't want to waste your money. So check for any of the sales because cheese is actually pretty damn expensive. I feel like it's a smarter move to buy a kilogram of butter because this lasted me the whole of the academic year, so I think it saves a bit of money. If you haven't heard already, there's kind of a lot of hate being thrown at Jamie Oliver for trying to get rid of all the sugary cereals. But I'm kind of on his side. I'd say porridge is the way to go. It's so much cheaper, it fills you up, it lowers cholesterol, it's literally a superfood. It's definitely something that every university student needs in their cupboard. Do you guys remember in maths class where the teacher would show you how to compare prices? They'd give you a question like, say, 2 kilograms of this particular type of rice costs this amount, whereas 1.5 kilograms of another particular type of rice costs that amount, and you had to use a ratio to find out which packet of rice is cheaper. Okay, I swear to you, that was the only useful piece of maths that I learnt in high school, which really helped me in the adult world. I even had a calculator with me just to compare all the prices and the weights. I'm a university student, I'm bound to have a calculator in some pocket or the other. Right, tinned food. Tinned food is a lifesaver for all students. It's so cheap and you can make so many meals from them. Maybe I'll make a video showing you guys the many dishes that you can make using all these tinned vegetables. Could be like a week surviving on tinned food kind of a thing. Okay, when I say uni life and food, the first thing that comes to mind is pasta. Money saving tips, buy this instead of the Dolmio pasta sauce. Also, guys, look what I found. Potentially most of the spices that you need to make a basic curry, so you have no excuse not to look at my other videos or follow them. As crazy as it sounds, I'm trying to avoid white sugar by using honey instead, so... Okay, now for the fruits and vegetables. First place to go is the aisle where everything's reduced. Just search for whatever you might find useful and cheap. Also, it's good to know which fruits and vegetables are in season, because that would be the cheapest at that time. And here it's like a massive sign that says famously low prices, always go there. But I must say, try not to stock up too much on fruits and vegetables because it does end up just staying in the fridge for a very long time and then getting out of date and spoil, and then you have to throw it away, and then buying more, bulk stocking up, the cycle will just repeat. So buy a little at a time and you can always go back to get more fruit and veg. Question time. Would you buy these tomatoes or a packet of these tomatoes? I'd personally buy 2 packets of the previous ones for the same price. And that's about it. This is how I shop. If you have any questions, comment below, and thanks for watching, guys.